Miss Memane, I'm asking you a question. A question only you can answer.
Okay.
I messaged you at 10:12. 10:12 p.m. is when I messaged you.
Which day?
Okay. And you didn't reply. It was 10:20. You messaged me, you were asleep. Are you saying that your Twitter account, on which there was a tweet posted at 10:14, was hacked?
No, because I said at 10 to
Never, ever question.
Oh no.
No.
Oh no.
You are questioning a journalist.
Oh no, the.
No. I'm asking you a question, only I ask questions.
Oh no, please.
Were you or were you not using your Twitter account?
Can I
At
answer?
10:40. No.
Welcome back to our podcast, Relationships Aajkal, where we discuss pressing issues pertaining to every relationship, be it with your partners, your friends, your bosses, or even your neighbors. I'm Prajakta.
And I'm Kalpit, and we will be hosting this podcast. Before diving into the episode, let us give you a little preview of what you're in for.
Our today's episode is Relationships in the Time of Lockdown. In this episode, we will discuss how various relationships are going through a tough time during this lockdown, either by being too far or by being at too close quarters.
So, I was thinking about how everybody is talking about during this COVID, what has been the impact on economy, jobs, unemployment, financial crisis and all.
Right.
But nobody is really talking about how COVID and this prolonged lockdown and this quarantine and everything, how has that affected relationships?
Right. That effect is something which you cannot see. It cannot be measured in newspapers. There won't be stats around ki so and so relationships have been affected in Navi Mumbai area, and these many have faced casualties in Thane, and these many have been recovered in Kalyan. See,
There are 23 new relationships affected.
they say think global be local. I'm thinking also local. मतलब मेरे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नाम भी सारे कल्याण डोंबिवली नवी मुंबई ही हो गया. So relationships have faced a lot of impact due to lockdown, and this is something people realize or they don't, and they might think it's just a byproduct of it. But let me tell you what I feel is, why is it not like any other pandemic or epidemic? Because other wave of such diseases affect your economy, your finances, your health, but I feel this is the one which attacks at the very core of human being, and that is relationships. Relationships constitute a huge part of being human. COVID has affected everything about your relationships, how you conduct yourself, how you behave, how further you are going to change everything you knew about relationships before. And that is what I think people are not taking into consideration. But I think being holed up in one room has affected dynamics between people a lot.
Yeah, I mean, before all of this lockdown and quarantine and everything, people were used to living life a certain way. Now, not only it has affected their own personal lives, like for example, people were used to going out on a Friday night or Saturday evening, and then that has been affected, which is affecting their personal lives. That aside, people were used to being in a relationship in a certain way.
Yeah.
So that has also changed.
I think this lockdown is one of the very first incidents which people might be facing. I don't think such a situation has come in people's lives, no matter how young or how old they are. It's not about, oh, you are just in a relationship and you haven't seen such times in your life. I think even the older generation has never come across such a situation where they have been locked together for so many months together with frankly nothing to do.
These are unprecedented times, that's true.
I mean, do you think our parents must have faced this before कि 3 महीने आप आपके घर वालों के साथ हो and you cannot do anything. At least vacations used to be just for 1 or 2 months, and आप बाहर रहते थे तो आप distracted रहते थे. You are going at the tourist spots, having fancy lunches, dinners and all. अभी literally आपको घर पे बैठना है 3 महीना without doing anything. I don't think anyone has seen such times before.
And since they have not seen such time before, they don't know what to do with this.
Correct.
Now they have this 24 hours together Now they don't know what to do with it. Like, we were lucky we started a podcast. But people actually don't know what to do with this time.
Correct.
And अब तो बाई भी नहीं है. So now you have to
तो
go.
मतलब पहले
No.
बाई होने से
I'm saying now you have to also do the household work.
Oh.
That's another added
Oh,
frustration.
that point about bayi. Okay.
So I believe people who are together in this during this lockdown and during this COVID time, what has happened with them is that they are now together 24/7. They up until now they had a distraction. Now that can either be just going out for work, meeting your friends, or maybe just having to take care of your kid. Even that is a task. Now because of this lockdown and everything, now you're there. Now you're 24/7 together with that person and only in house. Now you can't even go out. ऐसा भी नहीं बोल सकते कि अच्छा चलो मॉल जाके आते हैं.
Correct.
ना तो तुम मॉल भी नहीं जा सकते हो.
Yeah, what you said, that is predominantly a case about relationships where the partners are with each other. They are staying in the same house. They are staying at the same place. So that's what you are talking about. Like, let's see, people around me, as per them, this is a very golden time for us. कि ओ बढ़िया है, शादी के बाद ही तुम्हें इतना टाइम स्पेंड करने मिल रहा है विद योर हस्बैंड, हाउ लकी, मज़े कर रहे होगे. टेल देम रियलिटी क्या है, हम घर पे बैठ के क्या करते हैं.
Other than podcast.
Shut up. हम बर्तन करते हैं, हम खाना बनाते हैं, फिर आर टॉक्स हैव बिकम क्या ऑर्डर करना है, नेक्स्ट 10 days लॉकडाउन है तो उसके पहले क्या एसेंशियल स्टॉकअप करना है, अरे आज दूध नहीं आया, रिफंड का ये डाल दो वो डाल दो. दैट्स ऑल वी आर डूइंग द होल डे बिकॉज वी हैव नथिंग एल्स टू डू ना.
Correct.
So if people, as per people, having a lot of time together is a very good thing. But in reality, itna bhi nahi hai. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but it's not as beautiful as they glorify it about.
Yeah.
Ki, oh my God, you are the luckiest. You have all the time with each other.
Oh, you have got extended honeymoon, huh?
Kai ka? People don't wash bartan at their honeymoons.
Yeah.
yaar.
See, that is why I was mentioning bhai.
The only reason.
Yes. So, see, in our case at least, we got married and then lockdown happened. Not saying our marriage and lockdown was connected, but we got married and then lockdown happened.
Yeah.
We did not have any precedence or past experience of us living together.
Correct.
So what we went through during this lockdown was something which we did not have something to compare this with. Now imagine our older generation. Now imagine our parents. And they have till now lived their life a certain way.
Yeah.
So they're married for 20 years, 25 years. And all of their 25 years, they have lived in a certain way.
Correct.
They used to wake up, get their tiffins and get ready for office and leave. Moms maybe used to stay back and finish up their other work, maybe pursue their hobbies, do something which they like, maybe watch television, or if they are working, they go to office. Then everybody comes back in the evening, and then their lives for past 25 years just went through like this.
Yeah.
Now suddenly COVID has happened. Not COVID happened to them. I'm saying lockdown has happened because of COVID. And now during this time, all of this schedule has gone for a toss. There is no schedule.
Yeah.
You wake up. I am not giving my personal example, but now क्यों मैं? I'm not going to go to office.
तुम्हें डिस्क्लेमर देने की जरूरत पड़ी, मतलब people around you know how much this is ऐसा from your own example.
And now our parents, they have not had habit of spending 24 hours with each other. Now they don't know how to entertain each other.
It's so difficult for them to suddenly change after so many years.
And let me clarify, it has nothing to do with their love for each other.
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
it has nothing to do with, I'm not trying to say that because now they are together and they are maybe frustrated, that means they do not love each other and they do not care about each other. I'm just talking about this particular phase, that how this has affected their day-to-day lives
Yeah.
and which is affecting their relationship. It has nothing to do with the love they have for each other.
Yeah, you are right. I mean, suddenly you have to spend a lot of time with each other and you aren't used to that. So after a while it becomes like if in the case of husband and wife, maybe then the wives don't get the whole day to themselves because the house is always full and people are just asking them to do one thing or the another, and they do not get free time for themselves. Or the other spouse who used to work, they might get bored sitting at home, or they might not find a conducive environment to work from home because there's just something happening around all the time. There are voices, there are kids running around. I think that situation, that change is very frustrating for someone to get used to in the start.
Correct.
So that might strain a lot of relationships. Not strain is a very negative word. That might cause some unpleasantness or something. Like अचानक अभी पति लोग घर पे बोलते होंगे, अरे यहाँ का ढंग से साफ नहीं किया, अच्छा ये ऐसे करती हो क्या? तो women might get frustrated कि यार उससे अच्छा आप ऑफिस चले जाते, घर पे नहीं रहते. Because then even the other spouse has a lot of free time on their hands to analyze and survey a lot of things जो वो usually नहीं करते होंगे.
And now wives also know that their husband have some weird work habits.
Oh.
Because now they're working from home, they have weird work laughter. Or maybe they thought that उनके husband तो यार जो stand लेते हैं, but अब work from home में पता चला है he's a kiss ass. वो पूरे टाइम सिर्फ सर क्या बात कही है सर.
Sir is the noun, the verb, the pronoun, the adjective and the object. पूरा sentence एक sir word से बन सकता है. Like sir.
But तुमने वो किया?
Sir.
But मैंने देखा वो नहीं हुआ है.
Sir.
ठीक है, कल कर दोगे?
Sir.
ठीक है, फोन रखता हूँ.
Sir.
So even that's a disturbing sight, right?
I mean, आप इतनी इज्जत करते होगे आपके हस्बैंड की कि क्या टाइगर है मेरा पति ऑफिस में, यहाँ पे पता चलता होगा टाइगर श्रॉफ है वो.
ये भी frustrating है.
I know.
Now imagine that your
What a
husband,
paradigm shift, yeah.
yeah, and your husband had portrayed that मैं ऑफिस जाता हूँ सब घबरा जाते हैं. And now you were seeing that बॉस का कॉल आता है वो घबरा जाता है. So yeah, that will also strain relationship. It's like a deceit.
And also imagine if you have kids, स्कूल में जाके फालतू की मस्ती करके आते होगे वो, उनकी सारी पेंट अप एनर्जी वो लोग बाहर स्पेंड कर देते होगे, घर आके खाना खाओ, सो जाओ, ट्यूशन जाओ, whatever it is. Imagine now kids with all that extra energy in them, and घर पे बंदे तो और frustrated because they cannot meet their friends.
Correct.
And go out to play PUBG.
गार्डन में बैठ के PUBG खेलेंगे. इंडोर गेम को आउटडोर गेम में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे.
So kids must be so frustrated कि घर पे वो अपने पेरेंट्स का दिमाग खा जाते होंगे. तो suddenly you'll start hating your kid यार.
Yeah, and imagine वो बच्चा पहले जो let's say he used to go to school, उसको come back, and it was afternoon time.
Yeah.
सिर्फ मॉम होंगी या मॉम भी नहीं होंगी, उसको वाईफाई का पूरा बैंडविड्थ मिलता था PUBG खेलने के लिए. Now papa is working from home. Mummy is watching Netflix. Now your PUBG will lag.
And वो earphones लगा के खेलना पड़ेगा because
Yes.
Teams meet चल रहा है बाहर.
Exactly. So while we are talking about how relationships are getting affected, we should talk about how children are getting affected because of this.
So yeah, it's like sometimes spending a lot of time together can be very difficult.
Yeah.
Because people aren't used to it. Not because you hate someone, but sometimes you don't want to hate someone. वो क्या बोले, दूर के
ढोल सुहाने
लगते हैं. हाँ, थोड़े से कभी कभी बच्चे दूर अच्छे लगते हैं ना तुमको, दूर से क्यूट लगते हैं, पास आके पता चलता है कितने इरिटेटिंग है. एंड वो भी पूरा 24/7.
और खुद के ही हैं यार,
कई किसी को दे भी नहीं सकते हो आप.
This just brings out that how because now you're living together the entire time, how the flaws which were maybe hidden, or maybe when those flaws were happening you were not there, have become apparent now.
Oh yeah.
It is there because, see,
Things are too out in the open now.
exactly, you cannot pretend the whole day.
Correct.
If you are sir guy, it is going to come out. Earlier maybe that used to happen in office, and now it is there. These flaws have become more noticeable because the time you're spending together has multiplied those flaws in front of you.
Yeah. And these are not just about, workplace flaws. It's about flaws in general. Like, imagine you have an irritating habit. Any. Like, choose your poison. तो maybe you must be coming home from your work. तो शाम को शायद वो एक ही बार होती थी. And शायद तब तक your spouse is busy in some other job, तो उन्हें नहीं पता चलता होगा. But now you're home, तो वो चीज़ एक नहीं 4 बार होती होगी.
Correct.
That must irritate your partner so much. And suddenly you become aware of your partner's flaws, and वो थोड़ा सा rose tinted glasses ऐसे shatter हो जाते होंगे थोड़े टाइम के लिए. And after a while it becomes too tough to handle, not too hot to handle.
That was a good show.
I loved it.
Lana was my favorite, and that Jesus
guy उसकी भी favorite थी Lana.
And also what has happened that because of all this lockdown and everything, even your personal tolerance has gone down.
Yeah.
Your personal patience has gone down. Maybe earlier, even if you were together, let's say on weekends, you had already gone through your usual routine 5 days. And weekends were something which you were looking forward to refresh your mind and everything.
Yeah, you're right.
Your tolerance levels on weekends have been higher as compared to other 5 days, because this is the first time maybe you're spending 24 hours together with your partner, and then you're just happy lazing around and all that.
Yeah.
Now it is happening 7 days.
Imagine about the young couples who were used to spending time with each other, as you said, with a lot of third wheels in their relationships. Like, may it be Netflix, you need that to be with each other. Yeah, you were used to going out clubbing, going out for fancy dinners or vacations and trips, long drive every weekend. And abhi wo sab band ho gaya. Like, COVID ended it all. You can't go out. So suddenly you must be feeling so empty कि अच्छा तो और क्या करते हैं पार्टनर के साथ अभी.
Correct.
All those options have been shut down. So you are left with the last option, spending time with each other.
Yeah.
And knowing each other कि अच्छा आप क्या करते हो, कहाँ काम करते हो. I तो think वो level पे start करना पड़ेगा लोगों को अब.
Yeah, and Netflix का collection भी काफी खराब हो गया लॉकडाउन में.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm telling you, Mrs. Serial Killer, seriously.
See, I know we discussed about this a lot, and this must be happening because लोग अभी इतना घर पे बैठते हैं and they consume content on OTT platforms so much कि suddenly these guys must be running out of content now.
Correct.
Like पहले ऐसा होता होगा कि वीक में इतनी मूवीज देखी जाती है and that number must have tripled or been multiplied by 4 times at least.
Exactly.
तो they have to pump out more content more than ever. जो उनका पहले का टाइमलाइन हुआ करता था उसको उनको स्पीड अप करना पड़ता होगा. So maybe the projects which were in pipeline, which were unfinished, which required some editing, or also जो शायद reject pile में हो गए, उनको publish करना ही पड़ता होगा because they don't have anything else on their hands right now, anything good ready. इसीलिए शायद substandard content बहुत publish हो रहा है.
Maybe in a way they're just trying to save relationships.
कुछ तो देख लो.
कुछ तो. Guys, see Adam Sandler movies. I'm telling you.
I'm loving उसका collection है, but वो भी अभी खत्म कर
वो भी खत्म हो गया. Correct. And I don't think he can
and
make.
And पोहा खत्म हुआ है या बाकी है? Order करना है और?
पोहा I think 1 kg था. Big Basket.
Yeah. बाद में ये होने के बाद slot check करते हैं.
Okay.
Yeah.
हम podcast record कर रहे थे क्या? But Prajakta, I'm telling you one more thing. While we are discussing that how staying together during this lockdown is putting strain on relationships, just think about people who have to do long distance because of this lockdown.
I mean, frankly, I thank God all the time. जब भी मेरे को याद आता है कि thank God we got married before this lockdown. वरना I wouldn't be able to take it.
And let's accept it. Physical presence is necessary.
It is.
Though technology has advanced like anything, when we were in college, that was the time we did not even have video calls, right?
Yeah.
Video calls and all was not a concept back
Jio
then.
नहीं था free data.
Yeah. So we had to rely on audio calls and meeting each other maybe on a weekend.
That too weekend बहुत बात की बात है. स्टार्टिंग में तो when we were kids कहाँ उतने पैसे या कहाँ इतना ये होता था कि we could go out especially.
Correct.
We used to meet each other just because everyday college होता था and we had to travel उतना distance. Especially मिलना was very rare for us starting में at least.
Correct. And just imagine, because you're not together physically, the kind of misunderstandings and emotional turmoil you guys
Correct.
would go through.
Correct. See, like tangible gestures are very important in a relationship. Your human relation है. You need that sight, that feel, and वो आपके physical presence से ही आता है. Like when you see your partner, you see them smile, you have few good laughs with them. कि अरे घर पे क्या क्या हुआ, this that, hundreds of other things you discuss. It's a different thing जब आप सिर्फ किसी की सुनते हो, the way they are reciting it or the way they have typed it, and it's a different thing altogether कि आप साथ में बैठे हो maybe with a cup of chai and sharing those moments together. They just become a bit more personal and a bit more warmer.
Exactly.
So you need that in a relationship. It's like it will be a relationship without warmth.
That's the best way to put it.
So you need physical presence for all that. It's very difficult. On paper it sounds like क्या फर्क पड़ता है. आप देख पा रहे हो एक दूसरे को वीडियो कॉल से, आप बात कर पा रहे हो. You can text each other 24/7. तो you are not apart as per people. ऐसा नहीं है. There is a difference in actually meeting in person and having those conversations on text or on calls. There's a huge difference. Like, do you remember that survey कि if they go in a brick and mortar store, in a physical store to buy a dress for example, and if they can feel the cloth in their hands, rack पे लगाया हुआ है and you can actually see it as opposed to online shopping. So if they can feel that product for more than 30 seconds in their hands, the chances of them buying it increases. So अगर एक touch, एक feel normal sales में इतना impact कर सकता है, तो relationships तो उससे ज़्यादा बड़ी बात है. and उसका तो main base ही ये सब है.
And you have lived that relationship in a certain way.
Correct.
Up until this lockdown.
Correct.
Maybe you were meeting on weekends. Maybe you were meeting after office. Maybe you were planning and meeting. You had that element of meeting each other, right? And then suddenly that has been taken away. And you don't know when will it be restored. Now तो you are supposed to go only 2 kilometers for non-essential. तुम कैसे
So
पुलिस
anything
को
beyond 2 kilometers is long distance.
Yeah, पुलिस ने डिफाइन कर दिया तुम्हारे लिए.
I really feel sad for people who aren't able to meet each other in person, because I think that gives rise to a lot of misunderstandings in relationships.
True.
Like imagine, it's very difficult to fight in person, because when you see each other's expressions, when you see how your words are hurting them, you can see that immediate impact on their faces or in their tone, and maybe you can just pacify each other well in person, but text में you somewhere become very brutal, because आपको आपके डिबेट का, आपके पॉइंट्स का फुल इम्पैक्ट सामने दिख के नहीं आता है. Like imagine you are saying something to your partner and your partner says sorry, but you cannot see whether he is actually feeling sorry in his entirety. जब आप सामने होते you can see, oh his face is sunken, he is feeling so sorry and he is actually feeling sorry. तो मे बी आप वो फर्स्ट सॉरी पे मान जाओगे, लेकिन आप टेक्स्ट में हो तो आप 5 सॉरी के बाद भी नहीं मानोगे, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो इफ ही इज रियली फीलिंग व्हाट ही इज सेइंग. तो मतलब रिलेशनशिप में मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स भी इन पर्सन बहुत ईजी होता है सॉल्व करना. थिंक लॉकडाउन हैज अफेक्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड इट माइट बी द बिगेस्ट टेस्ट ऑफ एनी रिलेशनशिप.
And Prajakta, these are the relationships which are established. The first case where we talked about people who are together, living together, and it's India, so you're married. नहीं
That's
तो
the
you
only
can't
way you
live
can live
together.
together. Live together.
Even that.
Oops.
Anyway, the second case is of long distance relationships.
Yeah.
Again, in this, you have an established relationship.
Correct.
Now, just imagine what are budding relationships going through.
Ah, poor guys.
People who just started dating. Tinder पे अभी तो right swipe दोनों ने कर दिया था. अभी तो match आया था.
Oh.
Now what will happen to them during this lockdown?
I know. I mean, उनके इसमें affect होने का chances तो बहुत ज़्यादा है because they don't have a base already made. They don't have something to base it upon. That's very difficult in their case because for a relationship to go from casual to serious, you need a lot of going out, meeting, going on dates, having a good time, getting to know each other's families. Like कभी किसी family member को देखे हो, कभी उनके friends से मिलवाया हो. It needs a lot of those personal touches to make you a bit more serious about your relationship. And it's very sad that a lot of potential good relationships might take a hit because of this lockdown because they didn't get to go from that casual to serious phase. वो लोग कभी मिल ही नहीं पाए तो maybe they could have been something, but just because they didn't get that chance to develop it into a serious relationship, things must have fizzled out. Because आप कितने टाइम तक बात करोगे एक दूसरे के साथ? Like you must have spent weeks talking about each other's favorite sitcoms, books, songs, bands and all. कब तक बात करोगे ये superficial चीज़ों के बारे में? And you cannot talk about something personal because you haven't met most probably. And बहुत जल्दी personal हो जाओगे तो उससे भी लोग spook होके भाग जाएंगे. तो you might be in that dilemma कि oh, can I get personal with this guy? Is this guy looking forward for a serious relationship? And since you do not know anything about them, because of hundreds of doubts in your head, and since you don't like to communicate them because let's face it, it's casual. अभी किसी को राइट स्वाइप किया है वो आके पूछेगा आगे के प्लान्स क्या है, यू विल जस्ट रन अवे. सो विद द फियर ऑफ नॉट स्पूकिंग आउट द अदर पर्सन आप आपके इमोशंस भी कम्युनिकेट नहीं करोगे. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज अनसेड things will just fizzle out. People will just move on assuming the other person has moved on. That's sad.
How will you know that whether you are compatible? Because you are not putting your relationships through different scenarios.
Correct.
As you said, that you have not met that person in different settings. आप उससे साथ वीडियो कॉल करके आपको नहीं पता चलेगा ना कि वो अपने सबऑर्डिनेट्स के साथ कैसे डील करता है. वो वेका को करके तो नहीं बुलाता.
Correct. Yeah, that matters.
Because you have not gone out.
And you know, I think it's easy to fool someone on calls and texts. Like, अगर आपको किसी person को really जानना है, you have to meet them. You have to spend some time with them and see how they behave with other people. That's a good point. You said that about waiter and all.
And also, we don't have that much patience now.
So it's really sad for people. वो could have been relationships. That's sad.
So, how do you sum this up? How do you sum this entire discussion up?
As we discussed, there are a lot of cons of this lockdown in your relationship area. But what you can do is, like literally इसको अग्नि परीक्षा ही समझ लो. आपके लाइफ में बहुत सारे ups and downs आते हैं. You face a lot of hardships. You go through a lot of tough times in your relationships. May it be before your wedding, before your marriage, उसके बाद बच्चे हो जाते हैं. Whatever, you go through a lot. Consider this as one of those phases, maybe the toughest one, but then try to use this for your advantage also. Like maybe take this time out to understand each other. जैसे arranged marriage ही समझ लो अभी हो गई है, तो how at the start of your married life you are the most adaptable version of yourself. Because at that time you are like, oh, पति को जानना है, उसके likes, उसके dislikes, उसके small quirks, and खुद को ढाल लेंगे एक दूसरे के way में. Consider this as that. Consider as if this is the second innings of your relationship. This is a reboot version. Maybe God has given you a second chance to start it over again. And be very adjusting. Because we are very used to each other's habits. लेकिन अब वो अचानक change हो गए तो आपके लिए भी बहुत difficult हो जाता है adapt करना. तो be adaptable, be flexible for each other's changes in habits also. बिकॉज सिचुएशन चेंज हो गई है. So understand each other in that way. Maybe this might strengthen your bond a bit more because आप एक दूसरे के साथ और time spend करोगे. You might find new ways of spending time with each other which are more personal than going out for dinners and Instagramming your food and बस खा के आ जाओ. उससे तो ज़्यादा personal होगा ना. So use that. Maybe this might be the AD and BC of your relationship before lockdown and after lockdown.
And as Amitabh Bachchan would say,
Again.
Agnipath, Agnipath, Agnipath. So treat this lockdown as your Agnipath.
And that is all for today. Hope you had a good time and thank you again for joining us. Like, follow, and subscribe to our podcast and tune in every Saturday for a brand new episode. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Instagram with the same username. Because if you don't, I'll pray to God that you don't get the Maggi masala packet in your Maggi.
I know that's the most important part of the Maggie.
You can find us on YouTube, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, JioSaavn by the same name, Relationships Aajkal. See you next Saturday, one relationship at a time.